Okay, I'm doing it. I've had paint problems with the front of this car. The headlight doors have virtually no clear coat. The front bumper clear coat has failed. I did mention in a previous video the original owner repainted the hood, I'm sure because of clear coat failure. He never admitted it was painted, but it's obvious. I have no idea why he wouldn't just repaint all of this stuff, but he didn't. So no clear coat here, no clear coat here, top of the bumper, no clear coat. So I've been weighing my options for a couple of months now. Yes, the final solution is to go to a body shop and have the whole everything repainted, but I'm not going to do that. And you know, products like Poppy's Patina, I considered those. I'm not sure I like the way that looks once it's applied. It always leaves some brush strokes or streaks or something, and it's pretty expensive too. But this Flood Penetrol, it's not advertised as something for automotive uses, but people have been using it with pretty good success. It's just an oil-based additive for paint. It reduces brush and roller marks, and then it can be used as a standalone product, and it dries to a clear, hard finish like a clear coat. So we're going to try this out. I did consider getting a can of 2K clear and prepping this, but as you can see, the paint is so thin. If I prep this, we're going to go through the paint, and I don't know if there's going to be I don't know how that's going to come out, and I don't know how well that's going to last. So we're going to try this Penetrol. A lot of people, I've prepped everything here. I've washed it. I've done panel prep. I've prepped it way better than most of the videos I've watched. And I've got these Mr. Clean pads, which I'm going to use to apply it. Most people use an old t-shirt. I'm not going to do that. So let's see how this works out. Could be a disaster, could be good. Let me do it, and I'll get back to you guys, and we'll see what we've got. Well, here we go. Got some gloves on for a change. I'm not going to bore you guys with half an hour of this, but I just wanted to show it to you. Okay, just finished. Still drying. I was a little concerned about some strokes here. It seems to be self-leveling. These compound curves here you got to watch them, because the product builds up and it'll start dripping in here and here like a trough. So I smoothed that out. I'm going to give this about 24 hours to dry or so. I may or may not do a second coat. It for sure shines, that's for sure. You can see a different finish. Is this perfect? Well, no, obviously it's not, but it's better than what it was. So I'll report back to you guys once it's dry and I've used it for a little bit. Talk to you later. Just got back from the body shop. I wrote a check for $1,500 for them to repaint this. No, just kidding. This is the Flood Penetrol. I did it about 20-30 minutes ago. Wow. It looks good. And, you know, if you've got a problem like this, give it a try. I'll see how this goes the next couple of months. I got to watch out for bugs trying to commit suicide into that finish, because it's still a little tacky. So far so good. Wear gloves. You don't want to get this on you. The stuff that you use, leave it outside to evaporate. I've heard stories of spontaneous combustion. I've never seen it before, but why take a chance? So far so good, man. It's got a shine to it, and believe me, I've done everything to this nose and those headlight doors, buffed, sanded, did nothing. It doesn't do a thing. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 24 hours, and then we'll see what's what. I think I like it so far. 1/10 the cost of Poppy's Patina. I think that whole can cost me like 16-17 bucks at Home Depot. So we'll see what happens. So far, I like what I see. I'll talk to you guys later.